Hi everybody, it's Irene with Destination Bacon and welcome to another episode. I was talking to my friend Jen McGee and she said, wouldn't it be great if you did bacon wrapped pickles? You got it, girl, here it is just for you. So we've got them wrapped, dill spears, and I even have a keto friendly ranch dressing for dipping. Stay tuned for how we make them. Let's give it the taste test. Wow. So the dill is super tangy. Bacon is crisp. And you know what? This keto dressing's not bad. You guys need to try this. Stay tuned next week. Hey, if you give me a shout out and comment below and let me know what recipe you want me to try, maybe I'll give you a shout out next time. Stay tuned.